Welcome to Car Coach Reports. This is 4-Minute Friday for the week ending November 2nd, 2018. We are live at the SEMA and the Apex show in Las Vegas. We'll show you some of those sights and sounds, but this is what's going on in your automotive world. Stay right with us. Let's put 4 minutes on the clock. We are here at the annual SEMA, Specialty Equipment Manufacturers Show, and the Apex show, which is pretty much everything you find in an auto parts store or in big box stores. And we're bringing you a treasure trove of outrageous tuned vehicles and aftermarket parts in the Las Vegas Convention Center. This year's event kicks off October 30th and ends November 2nd. So if you hadn't had the chance to come to this show, because you would have to be part of the trade, I'm going to show you some of the cool stuff that happened, and you get to see it right here first. Check out the 2019 Ford GT. They announced they're going to produce an extra 350 units. I'm not really a fan of that because you're producing the same car for 5 years. However, they are offering a carbon series, which is carbon wheels and a carbon stripe. Of course, those will be limited production, and if you can get one of those, you're a very lucky person. Also, we found the 2019 RDX A-Spec. It's tuned and tweaked by Graham Rahal, who's an IndyCar driver if you're into racing, at 345 horsepower. The Mopar brand stampeded into the 2018 SEMA show with a brand new Hemi engine. This is a beast. They're calling it the Elephant. It's a crate engine which turns out 1,000 horsepower and 950 pound-feet of torque. I don't know what you're going to use that for. Probably a drag strip. It should be very interesting to get that vehicle out on the road. In addition, Kia brought out the Forte GT. It will be a 2020 model, and it comes in at 201 horsepower. That's pretty cool for a Kia Forte. Number 2, Continental develops the biometric technology. So if you have an iPhone or an Android that uses that face technology and then it unlocks your phone, well, they're talking about using that in cars. Also, touch technology. Put your fingerprint right up there and start your car. Wouldn't that be cool rather than pushing a button? I don't know if we're really ready for this yet, but if you are, you'll probably see it on premium level vehicles right away. There is still some security issues. If you've ever had trouble opening your phone, you still need some sort of code. That may be the wave of the future. Very cool stuff, though. Number 3, it is now the peak season of deer-car collisions. From October to December, these animals are mating, and so they are running across streets, not paying attention. I guess fill in your blanks. I know what you're thinking. Just fill in the blanks. But according to the Insurance Institute of Highway Safety, more than 1.5 million deer vehicle collisions happen each year, and that costs you and I as vehicle owners about $1 billion in damage a year. I had a friend hit a deer recently, and the expense was quite exorbitant. So keep that in mind, that you got to pay attention. Don't hit the horns. Don't flash your lights. If you see them out there, be aware, slow down, let them run across the street. And the last thing you want to do is hit one of those deers. Of course, if you live in the upper half of the country, you still have problems with moose and elk. And of course, that can cause some serious damage. So please be careful on the roadways, especially as we go into winter. And finally, this week in automotive history, October 28th, 2018, Lewis Hamilton won his 5th Formula One racing championship in a Mercedes. If you're an F1 fan, whether you like Lewis Hamilton or not, that's pretty darn impressive. Also, October 31st, 1957, Toyota opens its first U.S. dealership in Hollywood, California. And we'd like to thank those people that signed up for our giveaway. When we reached 20,000 subscribers, we'll be having more giveaways in the very near future. So please continue to subscribe. Hit that little bell right next to the subscription button, and it will tell you the next time we post a 4-Minute Friday Car Coach Report, a his turn, her turn, or upcoming Everybody Has a Car Story. If you like this video, make sure to like and share it. And of course, if you love what we're doing and you want to help us, check out our Patreon page. You can sign up for that newsletter at carcoachreports.com. And we'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.